Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're exploring Lumen Technologies, formerly known as CenturyLink, a telecommunications giant offering a diverse range of services from traditional phone and internet to cutting-edge cloud, security, and network solutions. Their official website, located at lumentch.com, serves as a comprehensive hub for both individuals and businesses seeking connectivity and technology solutions. Navigating the site, you'll discover a wealth of information about their extensive product portfolio, categorized for easy browsing. Whether you're a homeowner looking for high-speed internet, a small business owner needing reliable phone service, or a large enterprise seeking sophisticated cloud infrastructure, Lumen Technologies aims to provide tailored solutions. The website showcases their commitment to innovation, highlighting their advancements in areas such as fiber optic networks, edge computing, and cybersecurity. Beyond product information, the site offers valuable resources like white papers, case studies, and blog posts, providing deeper insights into the complexities of the telecommunications landscape. For existing customers, the website provides convenient access to account management tools, billing information, and technical support. Lumen Technologies emphasizes its dedication to customer service, offering various channels for assistance including phone, email, and online chat. Their global presence is also highlighted, demonstrating their reach and ability to serve customers across a wide geographic area. Whether you're interested in learning more about their specific offerings or exploring the latest industry trends, lumentch.com offers a wealth of valuable information. Furthermore, the site's design is user-friendly, making it easy to find the information you need quickly and efficiently. With its comprehensive overview of products, services, and resources, the Lumen Technologies website stands as a testament to their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction in the ever-evolving world of telecommunications. They aim to empower businesses and individuals with the technology they need to thrive in the digital age. For those seeking robust and reliable communication solutions, exploring lumentch.com is a great place to start. Remember to subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech insights and reviews.